Guys, what is up? Our friends over at FIOBOC recently released their 2024 clothing collection, and they let me know that compared to what they were doing in 2023, this is a pretty big improvement and a pretty big jump in quality, fit, finish, and material. So they sent over a few pieces for us to check out, just like we did last year. Let's open up the new 2024 FIOBOC collection and see if this stuff really is as good as they say. So FIOBOC has sent us 3 of their new pieces from their latest 2024 collection, including a merino neck sweater, a long sleeve tee, and some of their new jeans. So let's go ahead, try everything on, and see what it fits like. So first, these are FIOBOC's MoveMasters Jeans. Now FIOBOC says these feature their 360-degree flex material, so they're kind of elasticy. They have great stretch, very reminiscent of like a Cuts clothing material. Allows you to get around, move around, stretch, breathe. They're very comfortable and very easy to wear. Comes in a couple of different sizes and colors, and they are slim fitting. Next, we have the Modal blend elbow patch long sleeve tee. I'm wearing here their charcoal gray color, but again, comes in a number of different colors, and this is a slim fit long sleeve tee. This is honestly a night and day difference between what we tried on from FIOBOC before and what we're trying on now. The material is completely different and it feels so much more premium. It's a really nice blend of polyester and spandex. I'm super happy with it because it is very warm, and although it is getting a little bit nicer up here in Canada right now, still wintertime, we still need some warm clothing. And last but not least, we have FIOBOC's new smooth blend half zip mock neck tee. This is again slim fitting material with a contrasting collar on the inside. It's a blue on the outside, but it's got like a little bit of a brown almost on the inside. Very, very nice. Again, same kind of material blend as in the last piece. Very great for layering. I will absolutely be wearing this to the office because blue is my favorite color and the material is just so comfortable. Easy to wear, it's flexible. I think generally FIOBOC has knocked it out of the park with these new products. So then, to summarize this experience with FIOBOC's 2024 collection, what do I think of these new products? I think FIOBOC has come a very long way. The last time we tried on the FIOBOC products, the branding was a little bit ostentatious, too big and too noticeable for me personally. Yes, some of them could easily be worn, and I did like the collared shirts that they had, the polos. It all fit very well, and it looked all right, and it felt all right, but this is a step above in every way. I would definitely recommend checking out some of these new products for yourself. And this new collection has a ton of things on offer, from sweats to tees to hoodies. FIOBOC has something for everybody. Well guys, that's been a quick look at just a few of the new pieces from FIOBOC in their clothing collection. Huge thanks to the team over at FIOBOC for sending these over for us to try out. I really like what they've done with this latest collection and just how far they've come since the last time we took a look at their products back last year. If you want to check out anything that we talked about today or anything else in FIOBOC's collection, click the link down at the top of the description. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know which one of these was your favorite down in the comments, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.